Hi, to play YouTube music in background on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, firstly we need to find and open Google Chrome on the phone, and after that enter YouTube Music. And now select this web page, tap it, and after that you need to tap on those three dots on the top panel and enable desktop side. Now let's go back and wait for it to be downloaded. And after that, I'm gonna show you how to play YouTube in background. So now let's choose a song which would be playing in a background. So I'm gonna just tap it, tap this song. And now as you can see, it is playing. So I'm gonna just add volume. So you can see that this song is playing. And to play it in background, we'll need to use this home button to go back to the home page. And now simply swipe down from the upper right corner and you should see this window. So you can hit play button and you'll be able to play this song in a background. So as you can see, everything is working. I can open any app and the music still be playing. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.